talking about AI replacing us is actually the wrong conversation for the workplace. The right conversation is talking about what it can enable us to do. And I want to parallel this to what happened in the 1960s. Automation was coming in, and it was going into manufacturing, and it was going into a number of different industries, and it was truly displacing jobs, and it was replacing what people could do. And people were very concerned about what this would mean for the economy. What would it do to the unemployment rate? What would it do to human dignity? What would it do to, our ability to provide for our families and our loved ones and our dreams? And what ended up happening, unemployment actually did not go up. It went down. And there was even talk that, what will the work week become? Will it become 20 hours a week? We won't even need to work that much in the future. I think you all know that is not what happened. As efficiency rose, expectations rose. And I expect the exact same thing to happen today. I'm observing it already happening today with AI. And automation also removed some of those rote tasks, unleashing humans to do more of that creativity, to do more of that interaction that only we can do to create new value for the economy. In the same way, we should be looking to AI to do that today. AI can reduce the cognitive overload that so many people feel at work today through our just immense amount of emails coming at us and different messages we need to keep up on and competing priorities. AI can sift through a lot of that. AI can do a lot of our research for us. It can cut that time down immensely. It can crunch all this data together. It can automate certain workflows. These are the things that it should do to actually unleash us to lean into our unique strengths and our unique abilities that each individual brings differently and uniquely to the team. And when you have this happening, you have a culture that is so much more engaged. You have people who are hopefully a lot less stressed. Like I said, expectations of efficiency can rise, but hopefully this new support that we can get through AI will actually unleash people to do even more of their best work.